This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Google Docs as a desktop app. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. Don't pay any attention to how cluttered my desktop is, but if you look right up this way, you can see I have an app named Google Docs. If I double click on that, it opens up Google Docs as an app. If you look up here in the right hand corner, you can see I am currently logged into Google Docs. I can go on whatever I want to go on. The way to do this, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this. I'm going to show you, there's two ways you can install Google Docs as an app. You can use the Chrome web browser or the Edge web browser to do it. I'm going to go into my installed apps. I'm going to find Google Docs. I believe it's listed as Docs in here. Right here's Docs. I'm going to uninstall it. Uninstall. Uninstall. I'm going to close that out. First, I'm going to show you how to do it using the Chrome web browser. I'm going to open up Chrome here, and I'm already on Google Docs. You want to go to Google Docs, and you want to make sure that you're logged into Google Docs. Next thing you'll do is go off to the upper right hand corner up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. Put your mouse cursor over Cast, Save, and Share. Then you'll go straight off to the left and straight down to where it says Install Page as an App. I'm going to click on Install Page as App. A little dialog box will pop open. You can rename it if you want. You can leave it just Docs. Then you would click on Install. I'm going to click on Cancel because I'm going to go to the Edge browser. I'm going to show you how to do it on the Edge browser. I'm going to close that out. I'm going to go to the Edge browser. I have the Edge browser opened up now, and I am logged into Google Docs. Next thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner up to the three-dot menu. This will be a similar process. I'm going to go down to where it says More Tools, and then straight off to the left and up to where it says Apps. And off to the right of Apps, you can see it says Install this site as an app. I'm going to click on Install this site as an app. A little dialog box will open up. I could rename it if I want to. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Install, and it will automatically open. Now there's a dialog box off to the right hand side. It's asking me allow this app, pin to taskbar, pin to start, create desktop shortcut. You just use your own judgment on this. I'm just going to use create a desktop shortcut, and I'm going to click on allow. And if you look off to the right hand corner, you can see that I'm logged into Google Docs. If I close this, there is my Google Docs app. I'm going to double click on it to open it. That is how to install Google Docs as a desktop app. Thanks for watching.